Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits at home without oven. Combine 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and cold butter cut into cubes. Work quickly with a fork or pastry cutter until pea-sized crumbs form. Stir in about 3/4 cup milk until just combined, shape gently, and prepare for stovetop or skillet cooking immediately. Warm a heavy skillet on medium-low and add a little oil or butter to prevent sticking. Place formed biscuits with a bit of space and cover to trap steam, which helps them rise. Cook gently for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, adjusting heat if they brown too fast, and test doneness with a toothpick or by tapping the bottom to hear a hollow sound. If you lack a conventional oven, consider grill, toaster oven, air fryer, or covered pot techniques to bake biscuits. Each method needs gentle, even heat and a lid or cover to trap moisture for rise. Adjust time and temperature slightly for batch size and appliance quirks, and rotate pans if possible to ensure even browning and consistent interior texture that mimics oven-baked results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.